وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back after the break. We'll study grammar now. Let us take verbs of the type tadarasa. We have ta and alif extra in the root letters, the rasa. So this ta and alif will continue in all the mudari' and madi and mudari' forms and also amr and nahi and so on. In the imperative, it is tadarasa. Tadaras, also note, a very important thing, just like tadabbara, we have tadabbara, tadabbar. In tadarasa, we have tadaras, and also the action is tadarus. So, tadarasa or tadarus. Almost 100 words in the Quran are on the pattern of tadarasa. By the way, the verb tadarasa is not there in the Quran, it is there in the hadith. And it's a very important hadith. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that وَمَجْتَمَعَ قَوْمٌ فِي بَيْتٍ مِّن بُيُوتِ اللَّهِ. Whenever a group of people gather in a house of Allah, يَتْلُونَ كِتَابَ اللَّهِ, reciting the book of Allah, وَيَتَدَارَسُونَهُ بَيْنَهُمْ, and teaching it to each other. I mean, studying among themselves. Okay, they study in groups, they teach to each other. Then in that case, what happens? 4 special blessings are given to these people whenever they do that, and we encourage you to make the groups and study, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept this sitting also as part of that. So whenever they do that, يَتَدَارَسُونَهُ بَيْنَهُمْ, they teach each other or study among each other, then nazalat alayhim sakina, sakina descends on them, special peace, ghashiyathum ar-rahmah, and mercy covers them, wa haffathum al-malaika, angels surround them, wa dhakarahum Allah fi man inda, and Allah mentions them to those near him. So 4 special awards are there for those who sit together to study the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this verb tadarasa is not there in the Quran, but the other one tasa'ala is there. Let us study tadarasa. Tadarasa means he studied or he taught each other. It's used generally in the plural, like yatadarasun, tatadarasun, and so on. Repeat after me in Arabic. Tadarasa, tadarasu, tadarasta, tadarastum, tadarastu, tadarasna, yatadarasu, yatadarasuna, tatadarasu, tatadarasuna, atadarasu, natadarasu, tadaras, tadarasu, la tatadaras, la tatadarasu, mutadaris, mutadaras, tadarus, huwa tadarasa hiya, tadarasat, huwa yatadarasu hiya, tatadarasu. So the pattern again is important. Let's repeat it once more. Tadarasa, tadarasu, tadarasta, tadarastum, tadarastu, tadarasna, yatadarasu, yatadarasuna, tatadarasu, tatadarasuna, atadarasu, natadarasu, tadaras, tadarasu, la tatadaras, la tatadarasu, mutadaris, mutadaras, tadarus, huwa tadarasa hiya, huwa yatadarasu hiya, tatadarasu. The second verb is tasa'ala, he asked. And you know the 30th juz starts with amma yatasa'alun, about what are they asking each other, they are asking among themselves. So tasa'ala and involves 2 parties. and asking among one another. So tasa'ala, he asked. Let us just practice the Arabic forms. Tasa'ala, tasa'alu,
tasa'ala, tasa'alu,
tasa'alta, tasa'altum,
tasa'alta, tasa'altum,
tasa'altu, tasa'alna,
tasa'altu, tasa'alna,
yatasa'alu, yatasa'aluna,
yatasa'alu, yatasa'aluna,
tatasa'alu, tatasa'aluna,
tatasa'alu, tatasa'aluna,
atasa'alu, natasa'alu,
atasa'alu, natasa'alu,
tasa'al, tasa'alu,
tasa'al, tasa'alu,
la tatasa'al, la tatasa'alu,
la tatasa'al, la tatasa'alu,
mutasa'il,
mutasa'il,
mutasa'al,
mutasa'al,
tasa'ul,
tasa'ul,
huwa tasa'ala hiya,
tasa'alat,
huwa yatasa'alu hiya,
tatasa'alu.
tatasa'alu. Again, remember, there is no kasra in this form, no zair or no kasra in this form, just like in tadabbar. So tadabbur. So here we have tadarasa. The imperative is tadaras, tadarasu, la tatadaras, la tatadarasu. And also the noun is, verbal noun is tadarus. You don't see any kasra in all of this. And that's why you should not discontinue studying Quran in groups. In fact, the best way to ensure continuity of studying the Quran is to form teams. And the verb also tells you that. So tadaras, there is no tadaris here. Tadaras, and similarly there is no tadabbir here. It is tadabbar. Tadabbaru. So la tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru, and tadabbur. There is no kasra in this. Tadarus and tadabbur, the nouns are like that, and the imperatives do not have kasra. So they order you in a way not to break tadabbur and tadarus. Just keep on going. Keep doing that. Now we will take another pattern which is inqalaba. So far we have learned sabbaha, jahada, aslama, tadabbara, tadarasa. Now we will take another one, the verbs of the type, or we'll just take one verb, inqalaba. The extra letters here are alif and nun in the beginning. In and qalaba are part of the roots. These additional features will be carried on in mudari and madi and so on. Almost 60 words are there in the Quran on this pattern, on the pattern of inqalaba. So let us just take one verb, inqalaba, which occurs 20 times in its different forms in the Quran. Inqalaba means he turned around. He turned around. Okay. So repeat after me in Arabic only. Inqalaba, inqalabu,
Inqalaba, inqalabu,
inqalabta, inqalabtum,
inqalabta, inqalabtum,
inqalabtu, inqalabna,
inqalabtu, inqalabna,
yanqalibu, yanqalibuna,
yanqalibu, yanqalibuna,
tanqalibu, tanqalibuna,
tanqalibu, tanqalibuna,
anqalibu, nanqalibu,
anqalibu, nanqalibu,
inqalib, inqalibu,
inqalib, inqalibu,
la tanqalib, la tanqalibu,
la tanqalib, la tanqalibu,
munqalib,
munqalib,
munqalab,
munqalab,
inqilab.
inqilab,
هو انقلب هي
انقلبت,
هو ينقلب هي
تنقلب.
منقلب, the one who turns around. Nobody is affected, so you don't have to make this one munqalab. It can be dash, just as a structure we are doing it, but munqalib dash inqilab. Let's can you translate? Inqalaba,
He turned around,
inqalabu,
they turned around,
inqalabta,
you turned around,
inqalabtum,
God turned around,
inqalabtu,
I turned around,
inqalabna,
we turned around,
yanqalibu,
he turns around,
yanqalibuna,
they turned around,
tanqalibu,
you turned around,
tanqalibuna,
God turned around,
anqalibu,
I turned around,
nanqalibu,
we turned around,
inqalib,
turn around,
inqalibu,
turn around,
la tanqalib,
don't turn around,
la tanqalibu,
don't turn around,
munqalib,
one who turns around,
munqalab,
one who is turned around,
inqilab,
to turn over.
to turn over, to turn around. So we have, alhamdulillah, learned so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patterns. Sabbaha, jahada, aslama, tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba. 6 derived forms, and have to make different verbs from each of these, or for each of these. Inshallah, we'll continue and make the rest 2 of them also. And inshallah, we'll see you in the next lesson. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
ইসলামিক মিডিয়া বিডি সম্পূর্ণ সহিহ আকীদা ভিত্তিক একটি অনলাইন মিডিয়া। ইসলামের সহি জ্ঞান সবার মাঝে ছড়িয়ে দিয়ে দুনিয়া ও আখিরাতে মহা কল্যাণ অর্জন করাই এই মিডিয়াটির মূল লক্ষ্য। পরিপূর্ণ সহিহ আকীদা ভিত্তিক এই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করার জন্য সকলের প্রতি বিশেষ অনুরোধ রইল। আল্লাহ সকলকে উত্তম প্রতিদান দিক এবং আমাদের এই চ্যানেলটিকে কবুল করে নিক, আমিন। আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ youtube.com/islamicmediabd17 islamicmediabd17@gmail.com facebook.com/bd.selimhosen youtube.com/selimhosen আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আল্লাহ সকলকে ভালো রাখুক, সুস্থ রাখুক, পরিপূর্ণ ঈমান এবং আমলের উপর রাখুক, আমিন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ।